Question 11. Anna and Bill share some money in the ratio 2 to 5. Anna gets £4, Bill gets B pounds. Carl and Donna share twice as much money as Anna and Bill share. They share the money in the ratio 3 to 1. Carl gets C, Donna gets D. Find out A, B, C, D. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so looks complicated, but if we take it step by step, it isn't as complicated as we think it is. So Anna and Bill share some money in the ratio 2 to 5. Anna gets A pounds. Bill gets B pounds. Increases by 0.6% each year. He says that it will take over 80 years for the population to increase by 50% because 50 divided by 0.6 equals 83.3. Kieran's method is wrong. Explain what is wrong with Kieran's method. Now what Kieran's done here is he's just worked out a total of 0.6 and 0.6 and 0.6. What he hasn't done is realise that when the population is growing, it's compound, it's growing on the previous year, not on the beginning amount. So Kieran has used simple increase, has used a simple increase rather than compound for the growth. Assuming that the population of the UK increases by 0.6% each year, show that the population of the UK each year forms a geometric progression. Triangle add up to 180. In my isosceles triangle, I've got two base angles that are equal. So angle A, the little one that I've labelled, and angle B are 180, because that's what we start with, take away x, and then divided by 2. And the reason I've got that is because I have just divided by the 2 there, because it's an isosceles triangle, so they have to be equal. Okay, after that then, I could simplify that if I wanted to, and if I were to simplify that, that would just go to 180 divided by 2 is 90, and that is take away half of x. The next step then, because this is a straight line, and this is a triangle, this adds up to 180, but so does this. So 180 take away this would leave me with w. 180 take away this would leave me with w. But also 180 take away this would leave me with a. So therefore x and b must equal w. So I'm just going to write a little note there. X plus b must equal w because angles in a triangle and on a straight line equal 180 degrees. So therefore I've got angle x and b, which was 180 minus x over 2 equal w. So angle x plus b, and I've worked out b as that. My final step here, I've run out of space because I'm on a much smaller paper than you, but my final step here would be, if that was simplified, I've got x plus 90 take away half of x equals w. X take away half of x just leaves me with half of x plus 90 equals w. And if I were just to rearrange that as they've asked for in the question, what I am left with is 90 plus half of x equals w. And then I just finish with as required because that's what they've asked for. Question 10. In 2016, the population of the UK was 6.5 times 10 to the power of 7. Laura wants to calculate an estimate for the population of the UK in 2020. She assumes that the population increases by 0.6% each year. Use her assumption to calculate an estimate for the population of the UK in 2020. So, if it increases by 0.6, so 0.6%, as a decimal, because we're going to try and get the multiplier, is 0.6 over 100, which is 0. And you could do it on a calculator, but it's 0.006. It should be. Yeah, 0.006. So it's going to increase by that much per year. Now, when it's an increase, it becomes 1.006. So we had 6.5 times 10 to the power of 7 was the population. And when it's increasing, we've got the multiplier. We've worked out the multiplier as 1.006. And it's from 2016 to 2020, which is 2017, 18, 19, 20, is 4 years. So we write it to the power of 4. On your calculator then, you type in 6.5 times 10 to the power of 7 times by 1.006 to the power of 4 equals 665 6657496.24.